Hey everyone, how are you doing? Today I'm going to talk to you about a local version of ChatGPT called Alpaca Electron. So this is similar to ChatGPT, but you don't need a GPU or internet connection to run it. You can directly run it on your CPU, and you don't need to have any premium subscription to run it as well. So it's fairly simple to install, but let me just show you how the application looks like. The interesting feature about it is it has very similar UI to ChatGPT. So you can see. So this is the application. It looks very similar to ChatGPT, and you can ask it any number of questions you want. But so there is always a but. But it is not as accurate as ChatGPT because it doesn't use internet connection. So with some fairly simple questions, it gives interesting answers. So I asked, can you explain quantum computing in simple terms? So yeah, it gave no bunch of definitions. It looks accurate enough. But if you ask something about the current events, it might not answer correctly. So I asked, what is the current temperature at Hyderabad? So this is the place where I stay at. And it is showing around 30 degrees. But it's actually around 36 or 38 degrees here. So you can see that if it doesn't know any answer, it will create new answers and it not even pretend that it doesn't know. So you just have to be careful when you're trying to get some data from like real time. So this might not be, this model will not be useful in that scenarios. Other than that, it is pretty creative as well. So I asked to write a poem about the current state of the world with sarcasm, and damn it, right? It wrote a really good one. So here it is. Oh, how we laugh. Oh no, no, you guys can read the poem. I'll post it down in the description as well. It's really interesting. So let me just so as you see, I've seen the UI and everything. Let me just show you how you can install it. It's fairly simple. You go to the GitHub page and you have to click on the link for releases page. I'll put all the links down in the description below as well, so you guys don't have to worry about anything. So once you go to the releases page, you can download the exe file if you're in Windows, the .dmg file if you're in Mac, and the .tar file if you're in Linux, right? So it's fairly simple. Once you have downloaded it, you just have to set it up, and then you have to download the LLM model from the Hugging Face repository, and I'll also share you the link for this as well. So once you have downloaded the model, you can put it anywhere. So I have put mine at my work directory, right, in YouTube. So I created a folder called Alpaca and I just put it there. So once you have downloaded the model, you can just change the model. You can just view the path to the model, right? You can just view the path to the model. And yeah, that's about it. You can run it simply. Now you can ask it any question you want. So let's say, what is the recipe for creating biryani? I want to see how good that would be. Hyderabad biryani. So you just have to give it a minute. You can see it's running only on the CPU. So just give it a moment. Okay. I'll pause the video till it shows all the answers. So it gave a fairly simple recipe of biryani. I mean, yeah, it looks good enough. This is how I would do it as well, with not this much of process. But yeah, it looks good enough. So you can ask any questions you want. But as I have mentioned before, it doesn't work if you are asking it real-time data because it doesn't have internet connection. So yeah, that's about it, guys. If you have any queries, do let me know. And yeah, just do follow me on LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram. I'll be sharing all the links you need for downloading this. And if you have any queries, do post them in the comments below. And yeah, if you have created anything interesting, if you got any interesting outputs, do let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys have a great day.